Welcome to TradeTheNBI.com. This is John's Reports for the 20th, and well, you can see that we are moving closer to filling that positive extreme from right here. We're coming right back down to the yellow line. Still within a buy configuration, we just don't have any short-term buyers at this particular point giving the spark up. That could take place at any time, so it's one of those where intraday you'll get the earliest signal when it's about to take place, but no change from the bullish stance. We get a flat shakeout at this particular point, and slightly a little lower. First uptick in that, though, is going to represent new highs in the market, and I know it's contrary to every talking head that's talking about all the gloom and doom that the market is overpriced for everything. And while any of those things could be true, that doesn't necessarily change the fact that if you have too many people betting in one direction, the market often goes the opposite way, simply because the counter trade is more profitable. In this particular case, short covering can propel the market very fast and very quick. Central bank support of the euro is very effective at this particular point. They had their scare back over here, survived it. We retraced it again, and then they jumped back into it at the same time. The Fed raised its rates, and that elevated everything from a support standpoint. TLT trying to buck the trend there. I mean, you're talking about a Fed that's potentially said it might even accelerate its rate increases, which would make this very interesting trade. Definitely the 113 short side still looks to be the advantage, and taking out any of those rises seems to be the right move, but we'll see how it goes from there. USO, again, it's ugly shakeout. That's not going to go anywhere. We did a slight dip right here below the red line and then turning right back above. The problem you've got is that this continuing declining shakeout isn't going to give you enough oomph to really make a significant turnaround. So until that does, it's going to be a little bit soft, and gold is still going to be pushing back towards the highs. A little dip there was just a little shakeout of people, very effective. And then we can see from a 5K standpoint, we had pretty much everything right around this 2376 that I've been talking about. Was right in the median range of what we've seen, and then boom, we had the little DOC spread right back over here, and it just started to decay from there. So we're not quite done with this. Even with the turn down here, we might see a nice little pop back up to the short algo, which would get us pretty close. If we bounce to the 2376, it would be very interesting at that point at the short algo, because certainly we've reset and everything. It's just a question of, are the buyers going to step in? We're not seeing it yet from the daily standpoint. So until it turns around and gives us clear guidance, it's still a short intraday, at least from this point. So that's the long and short of it for now. Interesting start to the week. As always, trade well. Talk again later.